good day everyone. So before we start, I just want to share this quote from Autumn Calabrese rather. So today is another opportunity to take control and create that future that you want. So with this, I hope this quote will motivate you to continue learning, going to school, study and achieve your goals or dreams in life. Does justice simply mean that someone is dealt with as they deserve according to the law? What if law itself creates injustice? One way in which law might cause injustice is if it treats minority groups less favorably than the majority or fails to protect them against disadvantage they experience in society. A criminologist will acknowledge the truth of this linkage between poverty and crime. The great bulk of our prison population comes from the ranks of the economically underprivileged. The root cause of crime is economic distress and its byproducts, illiteracy and ignorance. If we are to make inroads on crime and delinquency, therefore we must, as a government and people, make inroads on poverty. It is hoped that many more established lawyers will bring their experience and that more young law graduates will bring the most recent academic developments to bear on the problems of justice. The widespread participation of the bar in the criminal process, which will result from the Supreme Court's recent decisions holding that all criminal defendants must, upon request, be afforded representation at trial and on appeal, will bring the present inequalities of the criminal process more forcefully to the attention of the bar. This in itself is desirable, for awareness of a problem is the first and most important step towards solution. In theory, all Americans charged with a crime are, so far as the law is concerned, equal before the bar of justice in every American court. This is guaranteed by the due process and the equal protection clauses to the Constitution. And the inspiration comes from the Bible. You shall do no justice in judgment. You shall not be partial to the poor or defer to the great, but in righteousness shall you judge your neighbor. Justices of the Supreme Court and of many state courts take oaths to do equal justice to the poor and to the rich. Unfortunately, despite all these guarantees and safeguards, the poor often meet with less than the same justice as the rich or reasonably well off in our courts. As Justin Black has stated, there can be no equal justice where the kind of trial a man gets depends on the amount of money he has.